Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your security questions with Dropbox easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your security questions with Dropbox, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox login page. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to open a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, go to the Security tab. Scroll down to the section labeled Security Questions. Click on the option that says Change Security Questions. You will be prompted to enter your current password. After entering your password, click Continue. Choose New Security Questions from the provided list. Make sure to select questions that you can easily remember. Once you have chosen your questions, provide answers for each one. Double-check your answers for accuracy. After completing the questions and answers, click the Save Changes button. Your security questions have now been successfully reset. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Make sure to log out of your Dropbox account if you are using a public or shared computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.